Welcome to Mathematics Olympiad. Today I will to solve this couple of problems belong to solution of inequalities. Solution and inequalities. Okay. The first problem is a square root of x minus 1 times x plus 2 greater than 2x to the second power plus 2x minus 10. Alright, the second one, okay, later I will talk about that one. The number three problems here. So in the first question, the first one, number one, let's start in this way. The original inequality here, the original inequality is equivalent to a square root of x minus 1 the number one, the question number one. Let's talk about number one. So this is equivalent to a square root of x to the second power plus x minus 2 greater than 2x plus 2 to the second power plus 2x minus 10. All right, this the original the equation on equality at this one is equivalent to this one. All right, so let the square root of x to the second power plus x minus 2, all right, be equals to t equals or greater or equals than 0. All right, and this one. All right. Now look at this. We have those data, this information here, then the inequality here, then the inequality all right becomes this inequality becomes t. Let me use a different color here. T greater than 2 times t to the second power plus 2 minus 10. All right, look at it. Solving this inequality, we got it. When you solve this inequality, you got it. We get here, so now 0, in this case 0 less or equals than t, and then t less than 2. All right, so our conclusion here, the conclusion for the first problem here, we are going to have, so here as a conclusion, 0 less or equals than a square root this of x to the second power plus x minus 2 less than 2. Okay, hence Hence, negative 3 here, let's write here, negative 3, look at this, is less than x. Alright? And then x is less or equals than negative 2. Right? Or look at this. 1 less or equals than x, and then x less than 2. So that's it. That's the solution for the first inequality. The solution for the first inequality. Okay, let's go and then solve the second one. The second problem here. So the second problem, problem number 2. If it's necessary here, if it's necessary, in this case, that 1, look at our problem here, 1 minus square root 1 minus 2 x different of 0 right there, or equivalent, in this case, or equivalent to x greater or equals than negative 1/2. And here x different of 0. When x is different of 0, the original inequality becomes, look at this, very important, 2 plus 2x plus 2 to the times to 1 plus 2x less than, continue here, 2x plus 9. Alright? So we changed to, we are here right now. Alright? Whose solution said is negative 1/2 less or equals than x less than 45 eighths. Therefore, the solution set is negative 1/2 less or equals than x, and then less than 45 eighths. So yeah, actually we write this right here, right? But I write it by red color here. So on the original inequality, so the solution set for original for original inequality is right here. We are going to have here, because the solution set less than 1/2, negative 1/2, comma 0, or 0, comma 45 eighths. All right. This is the solution, okay? Solution set for the original inequality. This is a number 2. Let's do the number 3. Let's go to the number 3. Remember, you need a challenge in this kind of problems of Mathematics Olympiad. Number 3, the original inequality. The original inequality is equivalent to square root 3 minus x, all right, greater than 1/2 plus square root x plus 1, all right? So in this case, we're going to have here this couple of equation here, like inequalities. The first one, x plus 1 greater or equals than 0. Here is x minus x greater than 1/2 plus square root x plus 1 to the second power. Okay, this is one. So here it's also like this. So here is x greater or equals than 1, and then in the bottom we're going to have square root x minus 1 less than 7/4 minus 2x. All right. Another one here, as a conclusion, here the solution is x greater or equals than 1, and then 7/4 minus 2x greater than 0, and then x plus 1, all right, x plus 1 here less than 7/4 minus 2x to the second power. So the 3 ones becomes here if only if, this means if only if, -1 here less than or equals x, and minus here 8 minus square root 31 divided by 8. All right, so that's it. As always, I remember you guys discover the power of the mathematics. If you discover the power of the mathematics, unleash your infinity potential.